Imagine a world with no plants, no animals, no humans, just a boiling ocean, raging volcanoes, and lightning storms. Sounds like a nightmare, right? But believe it or not, this was the beginning of life. How did we go from lifeless rocks to bacteria, and then to the complex creatures that walk the earth today, including you? Stay tuned because the answer is more incredible than you think. About 4.5 billion years ago, Earth was a newborn planet, hot, violent, and constantly bombarded by asteroids. But over time, things started to settle. The planet cooled, and water vapor from volcanoes condensed, forming the first oceans. This was a major turning point. Scientists believe the first key ingredients of life, like carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen, were already present in this water. But how did they transform into something alive? There are a few leading theories about how life first began. One theory suggests that life started in deep-sea hydrothermal vents. These underwater geysers released superheated water full of minerals, creating the perfect environment for simple molecules to combine and form more complex ones. Another theory is the primordial soup hypothesis. Scientists like Stanley Miller and Harold Urey tested this idea in 1953. They recreated early Earth conditions, mixing gases like methane, ammonia, and hydrogen with water, then zapping them with electricity to mimic lightning. The result? They produced amino acids, the essential building blocks of life. And some scientists even think life may have come from outer space, hitching a ride on meteorites that crashed into Earth, carrying organic molecules from other parts of the universe. Now, we come to the most important question: what was the first living thing? The earliest known ancestor of all life is called Luca, the last universal common ancestor. Luca was a tiny, microscopic, single-celled organism that lived around 3.5 to 3.8 billion years ago. It was probably a simple bacterium-like organism that could copy itself and survive in extreme conditions. Luca didn't have a brain, a heart, or even complex organs, but without it, none of us would be here today. So, how did we go from microscopic bacteria to humans? Well, evolution did its magic over billions of years. 3 billion years ago, bacteria figured out photosynthesis, filling the air with oxygen. 1.5 billion years ago, single-celled organisms evolved into more complex, multicellular life. 600 million years ago, the first simple animals appeared in the ocean. 500 million years ago, fish evolved, followed by the first land creatures. 250 million years ago, reptiles and dinosaurs dominated the Earth. 65 million years ago, dinosaurs went extinct, allowing mammals to rise. 6 million years ago, our ancestors, early primates, began to evolve into something more human. 200,000 years ago, Homo sapiens, the first modern humans, appeared, and here we are today. And that's the mind-blowing story of how life began. From a lifeless rock to complex beings like us, life has been evolving for billions of years, and it's still changing today. Now, I want to hear your thoughts. Which theory do you think is most likely: deep-sea vents, lightning, or space rocks? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next one.